Hello ma'am, I'm Ram, you are 15 CS308. Here I'm going to explain about my sixth experiment, that is the concept explaining the concept of interface. So with the with explaining the concept of interface, we will have to calculate the we will have to display the area of the square, perimeter of the square, area of the rectangle, and the perimeter of the rectangle. So here I'm going to explain about the first the concept of the interface. So in the default package in the default package, I have created one interface named as shape. Inside that interface, two methods are there: void area and void perimeter. So this is the one concept of interface should always be remember, like whatever the methods or the function we are we are giving, we are declaring in the interface, that must be defined in the class which is implementing this shape, this interface. So first, come in the square class. Here we have created one class square that is implementing the interface shape. Inside that class, I have two function. That first one is parameter. Inside the parameter, I have created one object for the scanner class, and I have declared two variable a and p of integer data type. So here I am going to display one message on the display, like enter the value of a, and we are giving the input. So here in the p, we are storing the result a into a, and we are simply displaying one message on the screen, like the area of the square is, and we are printing, finally we are printing the p. As in the same way, in the area function, I have created one object s of scanner class, and two variable I am taking of integer data type, and I am asking the value of a from the user. And here a into a, the area of the square, we are storing in the variable ar, and here the area of the square is, we are printing the area of the square. So now come in the rectangle class. So in the rectangle class, what it will do, like in the same way, we are going to define the both function what is there in shape interface, because it is the rule of the it is the rule using the interface, like whatever the methods are there inside the interface, we must have to define inside the class. So that int a, b, a and a are, we have taken three variable of integer data type. So that I have created one object of scanner class, and we are asking the value of b from the user and a from the user, and we are calculating the area of the rectangular, and we are storing in the variable ar, and simply we are printing here the area of the rectangle is area. And in the same way, for the perimeter, here we are declaring three variable of integer data type. I have created one object of scanner class, and in the same way I will be asking the value of c and d, and in the p, we have storing the perimeter 2 into c plus 2 into the 2 into length 2 into length plus breadth. So in the same logic we have applied here, and we are storing the result in the p. Finally we are printing the parameter is, the result is p. So now come in the test, to say test.java. Here in this, I have created one class test. Inside the main function, come, we have created one object of class square. So that you can see, by the help of the object, we are calling the function s.area and s.parameter. In the same way, we should, sorry, So this all are my code. So now I will build and run this program. So I'm building and running this program. Now see what it will ask to enter the value of a. Then I'm giving 2. The area of the square is 4. Enter the value of a. I'm giving 3. So the area of the square is 9. Enter the value of b. I'm giving 2. Enter the value of a. I'm giving 3. So you can see the area of the rectangle is 6. Enter the value of c, 4. Enter the value of d, 6. So you can see the parameter of the rectangle is 20. So this all about my program. So thank you very much.